This is Stephanie. She's gonna open up the love mask and then put them over my eyes and then feed me golf balls. Now this is what I want you to do. Once you have the once you have the love mask on me, I just want you all set up and you put a ball where my club is. Okay? The love mask. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit a golf ball without glasses. Stephanie, the love mask. Let's see if it'll even fit. Okay. Can I see? Good. So come on over here. The ball behind my club. Okay. Right in front of my club. Right there. Is that it?
Yep.
All right. Step out of the way.
Out of the way.
All right.
I'm going in your shop without glasses.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that wacky? All right. Here, do it one more time. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to step away on that side a little bit.
Over and around.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to try doing something never done